guys? Jenna Geary here with Blackstone Labs. Usually I would have it right here, but I don't today. So I am here with something special. We are going to do a leg workout and a try-on haul. So right now I'm wearing one of their old pairs of shorts, but I got 2 sports bras and 2 pairs of leggings. So I am going to do 5 exercises. With each exercise, the first one I'm going to do with this, and I'm going to warm up a little bit. With each exercise, I'm going to change one thing. So I'm going to put on the sports bra. All of them will probably be out by the time this video comes out. My discount code is all in the description, and I hope you like the video. So today is going to be, and I actually kind of changed up my split a little bit. So I'm looking for more growth in my quads and hamstrings and booty for this next show that I'm doing, which is Masters Nationals, Masters USA. And we are doing, instead of splitting it up and doing quads, glutes, and hamstrings, we're doing quads, glutes, and hamstrings, and then accessory work. So giving my legs a little bit more rest for them to grow. So today I'm going to do bridges and RDLs and raise the roofs, but I'm not going to be doing any kickbacks or anything like that. So I'm going to stick with, let's say, like one warm-up set of like 15 to 20, and all of my working sets are going to be 12 to 15. We're not going to obviously shoot everything, but you'll get a good look at the apparel and a good look at form and intensity and all that other stuff. So let's get to work. I'm hot, but I got to get really warm. Decided to kill two birds with one stone. Show you my outfit. The last and final one, the other leggings, and the same sports bra. So, okay, so I hope you guys like it. We are gonna go to the last rotation. I am going to do wide goblet squats, dumbbell up, wide foot position, more adductors and glutes, and I'm gonna superset that with prone hamstring curl. I know you guys saw me do like one warm-up set in the beginning, but now I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna go back and forth with those two. And then my legs are gonna be fried. They're already fried. So, I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright guys, I'm still out of breath. So I just finished up my last set of the squats. I went up in weight on the dumbbell. I started with a 40 and I went up from there. And I went really slow. So sometimes it's not about how heavy you go, because I used to go really heavy on those. It's just about tempo. So you could do force negatives, which that would be like somebody helping you. You could do like, if you notice on the hamstring curl, the prone one, I curled in fast and then a 4-second negative. I wasn't able to talk through it, but like in the beginning when we did the seated hamstring curl, my last set I did as a drop set. You could do 2 drop set, 3 drop set, or you could do 4. So sometimes I'll work my way all the way up and then I'll do the exact same thing. The drop set will be exactly going back down, but no rest, obviously. So I took rest in the 4 sets going up, and then the drop set, there's no rest. So it's kind of brutal. My hamstrings and glutes are fried and super pumped. You might have noticed that they're a little bit pumped from, I don't know, do they look pumped? I should have measured. Usually every glute workout, I do a measure. Okay, so let me know. Guys, check out the new apparel with Blackstone Labs. All the information is in the description. Let me know if you liked the video, try the workout, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video.